Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been super MIA, but we are back. I did take some time off of social media just because there was a lot of events happening in a matter of months. We bought a house, we had a little baby boy. He is now 2 months old and he is just so precious that he's taking up a lot of my time. So yes, I did take some time off, but now we are back. I can't wait to show you guys all of the tutorials and videos that I have planned. We are starting with this dewy, very glam-like look. I did use PR packages that companies sent me. I've got PIXI Beauty, I've got Pop Beauty, we have Vasanti, Ellie Lashes, and I did this look using all of their products. So if you guys want to see how I created this dewy look, just go ahead and keep on watching. To prime my face, I will be using this priming oil. This is from PIXI Beauty from the collection Plus C Vitamin. For foundation, I will be applying this NARS foundation in shade Punjab. And with this foundation, you can definitely build up. So if you want it more full coverage, you just apply more foundation. For my under eyes, I will be applying this under eye brightener from the same collection as the priming oil, which is the Plus C Vitamin collection by PIXI Beauty. I'm just going to dab a little bit of product under my eyes. And I'm going to be using that same beauty sponge to blend that in. And this does have a little bit of an orange hue, so it cancels out dark circles, which I definitely need help with. You can use this under eye brightener just by itself, or you can use it under your concealer. Now I'm going to be applying my concealer. This is Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal in shade Vanilla. You always want to conceal your under eyes, the bridge of your nose, a little bit in the middle, here and here. Now I'm going to be blending this in with the same beauty sponge. The technique that I like using for foundation is the dabbing motion, because if you do the smudging motion, you're going to have streaks and lines and it doesn't really give you that flawless finish. So always dab. For my contour, I'm going to be using this contour palette that was sent to me from PIXI Beauty, and this is part of their PIXI Pretties collection. These are the 3 shades I'm going to be using. For my under eyes, I'm going to be using the shade Himalaya. And I'm going to apply this pretty much where I put the concealer. I'm going to put a little bit over my eye, just because my foundation keeps creasing. For the contour, I'm going to grab a fluffy brush. Now for my nose contour, I do want a little bit more defined brush. So I'm going to be using this brush right here. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be using the shade Karma, which is the lighter shade on the palette. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this upwards into my eyelid. For my blush, I will be using the shade Golden Hour. And for my highlight, I will be using the shade Sunstone. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm going to apply some on my nose and on my cupid's bow. Now for the blush, I'm going to be applying in between the highlight and the contour. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying the shades Rosy and Shout Out. And this is also from the PIXI Pretties collection. I'm going to be applying the shade Rosy all over the lid. And I am going to make it darker on the outer corner. Now I'm going to grab a brush with no product and I'm just going to blend this upwards. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply Shout Out. For the inner corner of my eye, I will be applying this liquid eyeshadow by Pop Beauty in shade Crushed Copper. I'm going to dab a small amount on top of the shade Shout Out that I applied previously. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye and I'll be right back. Before the lashes, I'm going to be applying this mascara by Vasanti, Kajal Volumizing Big Up Mascara. So this is my review for the mascara. I actually really like it. I can definitely wear a look out like this with just simple mascara. This could be a just running errands type of look. It makes your eyes pop, and of course there's no fallout or flaking. For my lashes, I'm going to be applying these lashes that was sent to me as PR from Ellie Lashes, and this is in style Dream. I'm also going to be applying mascara on my bottom lashes. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using the 4th palette from the PIXI Pretties. This is the Lip Brush Cream Palette. I'm going to be using the shade Smooch. To add a little bit of glow, I'm going to be using the Plump Pout by Pop Beauty in Ice. Last but not least, I'm going to be setting my face with the Makeup Magnet Mist by Pop Beauty. Wow, that smells so good. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you like any of the products that they sent me, go ahead and check them out on their Instagram. I'm sure they're gonna have some sort of sale and you guys can grab the goodies. Again, thank you so much. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!